sartorius anterior, abduct scapula, upwardly rotate scapula, depress scapula, hold medial border of scapula against the rib cage, elevate thorax during forced inhalation. Origin, external surface of upper 8 or 9 ribs. Insertion, anterior surface of medial border of scapula. Nerve supply, long thoracic. Alright. Teres major. Extend shoulder, adduct shoulder, medially rotate shoulder. Origin, inferior angle and lower 1/3 of lateral border of the scapula. Insertion, crest of the lesser tubercle of the humerus. Nerve supply, lower subscapular. Trace minor. Laterally rotate shoulder, adduct shoulder, stabilize head of humerus and glenoid cavity. Origin, upper 2/3 of lateral border of the scapula. Insertion, greater tubercle of the humerus. Nerve supply, axillary. Infraspinatus, laterally rotate the shoulder, adduct the shoulder, stabilize the head of humerus and glenoid cavity. Infraspinous fossa of scapula. Insertion, greater tubercle of humerus. Nerve supply, suprascapular. Supraspinatus. Abduct shoulder, stabilize head of humerus and glenoid cavity. Origin, supraspinous fossa of scapula. Insertion, greater tubercle of humerus. Nerve supply, suprascapular. Subscapularis. Medially rotate shoulder, stabilize head of humerus and glenoid cavity. Origin, subscapular fossa of the scapula. Insertion, lesser tubercle of the humerus. Nerve supply, upper and lower subscapular. Brachialis. Flex elbow. Origin, distal half of anterior surface of humerus. Insertion, tuberosity and coronoid process of ulna. Nerve supply, musculocutaneous. Shit. Biceps brachii. Flex elbow, supinate forearm, flex shoulder. Short head, coracoid process of the scapula is the origin. Long head, supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Insertion, tuberosity of the radius and aponeurosis of the biceps brachii. Nerve supply, musculocutaneous. Brachioradialis. Flex elbow. Assist to pronate and supinate forearm. Origin, proximal 2/3 of lateral supracondylar ridge of humerus. Insertion, styloid process of radius. Nerve supply, radial.